The GASLAND Induction Cooktop IH77BFH is a 30-inch built-in electric cooktop with 5 powerful burners, including 2 flexi elements, offering a range of 9 power levels for precision cooking. This cooktop features an intuitive sensor touch control system, making it easy to adjust the heat levels accurately for boiling, simmering, or any other cooking needs. The cooktop boasts of a safety lock feature, providing an added layer of protection, especially for households with children, and an auto shutdown protection mechanism for added safety. The GASLAND Induction Cooktop IH77BFH is not only highly functional but also easy to clean, thanks to its scratch-resistant vitro ceramic glass surface. The cooktop is designed for long-term use, offering durability and efficiency in the kitchen with a total power output of 6,800 to 7,400 watts. The product comes with a professional local service team in America, ready to provide instant support when needed.